Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add tipping option to Shopify. Once in your Shopify admin dashboard, you are going to go down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to select Settings. After selecting Settings, you are going to tap on Checkout. Once you have selected Checkout, you are going to scroll down a bit. And by scrolling down, you will see tipping and you will see show tipping options at checkout, and you are going to simply tick the box right there. And from here you can scroll down and you can see the different percentages that you could set: 10, 15, 20%. And you can simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.